Yes. Good morning, everyone. So today we will see the topic that is circuit definition. So what is loop, what is mesh, what is node, and what is branch. Now these four terminal or terms are very much important to solve the circuit analysis or the KCL, KVL, or superposition theorem. Now we will see one by one. So what is the first term? That is what is node and what is junction. So what is node? Any point where two or more elements are connected together. It is called as a node. For example, yeah, Verity. Let us consider this particular image. Now in this particular image, there are four nodes, that is A, B, C, and D. Why A, B, C, D are node? देखो, what is the definition I have told you? Where two or more circuit elements are connected. Now look at this point. Look at this point where this element and this element is connected. Look at this point. This resistor and this resistor is connected. Now look at here. This and this is connected. Now look at over this D node. This 4 ohm and this current source is connected. So this is what the node or junction. So in this particular diagram, how many nodes are there? A, B, C, and B. Now what is branch? What is branch? Now what is branch? Sorry. What is branch? A circuit elements between the two nodes. Branch is what? The circuit element between the two nodes. मतलब इसका कहना ये है कि how many elements are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. So what is the branch? How many branches are there in this particular circuit? That is 5 branches are there in this. Yes, that is 10 volt voltage source, 2 ampere current source, 4 ohm, 5 ohm, and 3 ohm. Right? So branch is very simple. How many components, elements are there? These are the branches. Next, what is loop? Okay, let us consider this diagram. Right? So what is loop? A loop is what? A collection of branches that forms a closed path returning to the same node without going through any other nodes or the branches twice. Okay, so which one will be the loop? The first loop is here: A, B, D, and A. So this is what the first loop. This is what my first loop, that is A, B, D, and again it will go to the node A only. And what about second loop? That is B, C, D, B. That is B, C, D, and again it will come to the B, right? B, C, D, and again it will come here the B. So this is my second loop, right? And third loop is what? Again A, B, C, D, A. Now it can be a loop A, B, C, D, and again it will come. So it will noted in the blue color dotted. So how many loops are there? That is 3 loops, right? So I'll repeat again the loop: a collection of branches that forms a closed path, that is closed path returning to the same, right? And what is mesh? The last point. What is mesh? It is a closed path in the circuit which does not contain, very important line, student, which does not contain any other closed path inside it. Okay, let us assume again this diagram, right? Let us assume again this diagram. If you consider this diagram, which will be the mesh? देखो यार, लूप तो मैंने बता दिए थे, ABDA है, सेकेंड लूप है BCDB है. नाउ ये भी थर्ड लूप था मैंने जो बताया था, लेकिन दिस कैनॉट बी अ मेश. A, B, C, D, A contains one loop, another loop within it. So it cannot be a mesh. Yes, why it is cannot be mesh? Because which does not contain any other closed path inside it. When you are considering this is a mesh, these two loops are two loops are coming, and it is not valid in the mesh. So that these are the two meshes and these are the 3 loops. Okay, so these two four components are very much important. That is node, branch, loop, and mesh. This question may be like that: 4 marks, define following term. The first is loop, branch, mesh, and so on, right? And you can draw any diagram, not necessary to draw the same diagram for exploration. Okay, thank you.